So, a new day. Nothing happened last night, as far as I know. But as you can see, today the LED light's working perfectly fine. Not blinking, and it's rock solid. So whether it stays that way, I don't know. Extremely odd. But you could put it down to Chinese rubbish, hardware problem. A skeptic wouldn't believe it was paranormal or anything. Let's see. Can't seem to get it turned to disco mode today. It's not working. Here we go. One of the buttons worked. It makes that shimmering pattern. Yeah, it looks like it's switching back and forth now. So, yes, crazy indeed. But it feels calm around here anyway. There's no cold spots. But anyway, I'll just keep documenting things if I can get it on camera.